and properties of acetylene. Preparation and properties of acetylene. Acetylene is the first member of alkynes. Alkynes are the compounds in which carbon is involved in sp hybridization. In these compounds, a triple bond is present in between two carbon atoms. So these are sp hybrid carbons. Preparation. Acetylene, industrially it is prepared by the hydrolysis of calcium carbide. Calcium carbide we know, we use in the welding purposes, we'll use this calcium carbide. Its structure is like the CaC2. CaC2, calcium carbide. So there will be a double bond between two carbon atoms, and these two carbon atoms are in turn bonded with calcium. So this is said to be calcium carbide. This calcium carbide, when reacts with water, this reaction is said to be hydrolysis. So HOH, HOH. So now the bonds will be broken like this. So you will get CH triple bond CH plus CaOH twice. This is the preparation of industrial method of preparation of acetylene. Industrial method of preparation of acetylene. Hydrolysis of calcium carbide. Calcium carbide, when reacts with water, it will give us acetylene. Now another method is dehydrohalogenation of 1,2-dibromoethane. For example, this is bromine, this is hydrogen CH2 Br. When we react with alkaline KOH, alcoholic KOH, two hydrogen HBRs from adjacent carbon atoms will be removed to form acetylene. CH triple bond CH plus 2 KBr plus 2 H2O. 1,2-dibromoethane. Similarly, 1122 tetrabromoethane. 1122 tetrabromoethane. When heated with zinc dust, it will give us CH triple bond CH plus 2Zn Br. This is another important method of preparation of ethylene. Next, one more method is there by when chloroform CHCl3 or iodoform CHI3 treated with silver in presence of dry ether, we will get acetylene plus 6 AgCl. This is just like a Woods reaction. If we heat chloroform with silver dust, we will get acetylene. These are the important methods of preparation of acetylene. Next, properties of acetylene. Acetylene will undergo to combustion reaction because in weldings we use this acetylene as a fuel. Acetylene, when burned in presence of a limited supply of oxygen, we will get large amount of heat from it. That flame is said to be oxyacetylene flame. It produces nearly 3000 degrees centigrade temperature. Oxyacetylene, the flame is said to be oxyacetylene flame. We use it for cutting iron beams and iron logs also we use this acetylene flame, and for welding purposes also we'll use it, because 2000 to 3000 degrees centigrade temperature can be generated by this oxyacetylene torch. Next, like ethylene, it will undergone to addition reactions and polymerization reaction also, but the products are somewhat different. So let us ozonolysis. Ozonolysis we have already discussed, in ethylene also we discussed it. Addition of ozone followed by hydrolysis is known as ozonolysis. So here acetylene, when undergone to ozonolysis reaction, addition reaction, here in place of triple bond, 2 pi bonds will be broken. So in place of 1 pi bond, 1 oxygen atom, in place of another pi bond, another 2 oxygen atoms will be like this, but the sigma bond between 2 carbon atoms will remain like that only. Now when you hydrolyze it, the bond will be broken like this. That means the bond between carbon-carbon will still remain like that only. So here, because of this, you will get CHO, single bond CHO. This is glyoxal. This is glyoxal. There in the case of ethylene, we got ethylene glycol. It is formaldehyde we got. Here we are going into glyoxal. Then another important reaction is polymerization. Here, when acetylene is passed through copper tubes with high pressures at 200 degrees centigrade temperature, 3 acetylene molecules, this is one acetylene molecule, triple bond is there. This is another acetylene molecule. There will be a triple bond between 2 carbon atoms. Here one more acetylene molecule with a triple bond. Here you have like this. This is 1, 2, 3 acetylene molecules. Now here the process is this 1 pi bond will be break up. So this pi bond form a single bond within adjacent carbon atoms, so that we will have a new molecule with alternative double bonds. This triple bond will comes into a double bond, and there is no bond, one double bond will be formed. Here in place of triple bond, now we are having one double bond. Here previously there is no bond, so one single bond is formed. Here in place of triple bond, one double bond will be formed. This is benzene. So polymerization of acetylene leads to form benzene. So this is one of the important method in the preparation of benzene also. So 3 molecules of acetylene polymerize to give benzene. Ethylene, when passed through copper tubes at 200 degrees centigrade and high pressures, it forms benzene. So these are important properties of acetylene. Preparation and properties of benzene. Benzene is an aromatic compound. It has a cyclic structure. Its formula is C6H6. 6 carbon atoms are arranged as hexagonal ring like this, and each carbon contains 1 hydrogen. Here each carbon is in sp2 hybridization. We have alternative double and single bonds. This is the structure of benzene, C6H6. Benzene is prepared as a byproduct in distillation of coal tar. We will get in industrially benzene is prepared. But in laboratory, it can be prepared in so many ways. The important methods we have already discussed in the properties of acetylene. 3 moles of acetylene when passed to copper tubes at 200 degrees centigrade and high pressures, 3 molecules of acetylene polymerizes to give benzene C6H6. This is polymerization of acetylene. Polymerization of acetylene will forms benzene. So in polymerization process, this is one acetylene molecule with a triple bond CH. This is another acetylene molecule with a triple bond CH. This is third acetylene molecule with a triple bond CH. These are the 3 acetylene molecules. Now during polymerization, what happened? One of the pi bond in the molecule will be broken up so that only 2 bonds will remain. At that pi bond forms a single bond with adjacent carbon atoms like this, so that it will gives us benzene. This is the formation of benzene due to the polymerization of acetylene. Then sodium benzoate C6H5 COONA, sodium benzoate. This is C6H5 if you have COONA. If you heat it with soda lime, CaO, mixture of CaO and NaOH, we call it as a soda lime. Decarboxylation reaction will take place when a salt of carboxylic acids, either benzoic acid or acetic acid, the respective hydrocarbons will form. Here, due to decarboxylation of sodium benzoate, we will get benzene. This reaction is said to be decarboxylation reaction. Heating with soda lime. Soda lime means CaO plus NaOH. So benzene can also be prepared by phenol. Phenol means C6H5OH. Phenol. When phenol is heated with zinc dust, it will be removed as zinc oxide and benzene is formed. So these are the important methods of preparation of benzene in laboratory. Industrially, it is prepared by distillation of coal tar. Properties of benzene. We know that benzene is highly unsaturated compound. Naturally in unsaturated compound, we will expect addition reactions. But because of his special structure, it will have a special characteristic property called as aromaticity. Though it is unsaturated compound, instead of addition reactions, it prefers to take part into substitution reactions. Substitution reactions are the characteristic property of saturated compounds or saturated hydrocarbons. But benzene is unsaturated compound. Being an unsaturated compound, instead of taking part into addition reactions, benzene will take part into substitution reactions, more preferably. Of course, sometime in extraordinary conditions, it will take part into addition reactions also. But it is more prominent in substitution reactions, particularly nucleophilic substitution reactions. When a nucleophile is added to it, it can replace the hydrogens of benzene ring and occupy the position. So first one is chlorination. Chlorination. Chlorination means nothing but addition of chlorine is known as chlorination. Benzene C6H6 reacts with chlorine in presence of AlCl3 to give chlorobenzene. chlorobenzene. Similarly, nitration. Addition of NO2 group is said to be nitration. Benzene, when reacts with nitration mixture means mixture of HNO3, concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4 in 1:1 ratio, we call it as nitration mixture. So benzene when heated with nitration mixture below 60 degrees centigrade, we get nitromethane. If the temperature is more than 60 degrees centigrade, another nitro group will be substituted in meta position, and further in this position also further nitrogen, the 3 nitro groups will be substituted. So if you want nitrobenzene, you should restrict the reaction below 60 degrees centigrade temperature. More than 60 degrees centigrade, in 2 meta positions, another NO2 groups also be substituted. Then third one, sulfonation. Addition of sulfite. So when benzene heated with vapors of sulfuric acid or oleum H2SO4 nearly 450 degrees centigrade, SO3H group is substituted. This is called as benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Now there is important name reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, important name reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. If we want to add an alkyl group into benzene ring, we prefer this reaction. This reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. When benzene treated with methyl chloride in presence of Lewis acids like AlCl3 or FeCl3, alkyl group is substituted here. This reaction is said to be Friedel-Crafts alkylation, so that we will get toluene. Then Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Well, if you want to group acetyl group here, we will conduct this acylation. For example, benzene when treated with CH3 COCl, acetyl chloride, in presence of FeCl3 or AlCl3, acetyl group is substituted here, COCH3. This is known as acetylation, Friedel-Crafts acetylation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acetylation. In 2 marks questions also, these 2 reactions are prominently asking, frequently asking for 2 marks questions, or these 2 can be clubbed into as a 4 marks question also, they may be a possibility, or it can be given as essay also. So this year we are going to get essay, compulsory essay from this organic compound chemistry. So this is the most important topics that can be expected as an essay.